Guys, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class we are going to draw magneto drive gear, okay, but it is similar to already we have done some. Here it is nothing but crankshaft gear. So in this class we are going to edit this crankshaft gear to magneto drive gear, okay. Let's see. First of all, we have pocket diameter. What is the sketch required? Here it is 1.5 mm, but here it is 1 mm diameter. Sorry, 1 mm radius. It means 2 mm diameter. If I update, then the diameter of hole is decreased. And another one, here this profile is not necessary. So this pad. So before that, we have done this pocket. So we have to edit this pocket. Let's see. Its diameter is 6.35 mm. Here it is 6 mm. And its width is 1.5. And its height is 0.75. It's okay. Then make this two lines as symmetry. This axis, right? Okay. Then exit the workbench. Again, update this model. Okay. Here, a new thing we are going to learn here. This is the pocket, and this is the sketch. Here I want to change the sketch position. Change sketch support. Okay. See here, sketch 3 object. Here I want to change sketch support. The sketch contains extra reference projections. Okay. So this is the sketch. I selected this profile to draw the sketch. Now I am selecting this face. Okay. Right. Let's see here. This is the difference because I have selected sketch from this face to this face. Means that here 1 mm difference is there. So that's why here the pocket is not accepted here. So, and one more thing, I want to select this pad. I want to delete this pad here. So I'm deleting. Okay. After deleting that pad, we can see the hole here. And one more thing, main thing, it is its total width is 2.5. Okay, 2.5 by 2 required. Sorry, here required 1.25. Review. Okay, so if I update this model, we can observe that the thickness of this gear will be reduced. Let's see. Okay, this is a gear required. So instead of drawing everything, it is easy to change the already existing model. So I have did it here, and in this tutorial we learn how to change the sketch from one plane to another plane. It is one option here, one of the tip. Okay, and we got some important points how to edit the already existing model. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. And sorry, if you have any doubts, please do a comment. Make a comment in comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.